Fire, your lifeline in the wild. Out in the wild, a fire is more than just warmth. It's a signal for rescue. It purifies water. Most importantly, it brings hope. Knowing how to build a fire can mean the difference between life and death. Don't wait for an emergency to learn. Practice building fires in a safe environment first. Mastering this skill is crucial for any adventurer. Remember, fire is a powerful tool. Treat it with respect. Before striking that match, gather your fire-starting materials. You'll need tinder, kindling, and fuel. Tinder catches the spark easily. Dry grass, birch bark, or cotton balls soaked in petroleum jelly work great. Kindling keeps the flame going. Look for small, dry twigs and branches. Finally, fuel sustains the fire. Use larger pieces of dry wood. Gather more than you think you'll need. It's better to have too much than to run out in the middle of the night. First, clear a safe area. Remove any dry leaves or debris. Next, build a small platform with rocks or logs. This protects the fire from the wind and ground moisture. Now, create a tinder nest. Make a small pile, leaving space for air to circulate. Use a lighter or waterproof matches to ignite the tinder. Once it catches fire, gently blow on the base to encourage a flame. Gradually add kindling, starting with the smallest pieces. As the fire grows, add larger pieces of fuel. Remember, patience is key. Building a fire takes time and practice. Never leave a fire unattended. Wind can quickly spread embers, starting a wildfire. Keep a container of water or sand nearby to extinguish the fire completely. Be aware of your surroundings. Don't build a fire near flammable materials like dry brush or overhanging branches. Before leaving your campsite, make sure the fire is completely out. Remember, safety first. By following these precautions, you can enjoy the warmth and security of a fire while minimizing risks.